Some of you may ask, how do we actually use our magic mud? Well, first of all, we have to give credit to our esteemed colleague, Dr. Azel Chalkenstein, the actual inventor of our product. A lot of finishes you can actually achieve with the magic mud, but this is probably one of the simplest ones you can do. We started with this pot, and I've just given it 2 coats of Mayfair. Just dilute your magic mud in some water, brush it on, and wipe it off. So this is just one simple finish. There's many more. It works really well on chair legs or any decorative piece. It's a great way to enhance carved detail. Wash over flat surfaces, then simply wipe off to give you that authentic, subtle, vintage appearance. You can sponge it on for that mottled look. It's great for aging painted rattan. Even better for toning down orange rattan. Wicker baskets, much better. It's great for giving your brass and silver handles the perfect aged look. Tacky gold, easily fixed. Our magic mud is the perfect product for aging stone or plaster. So check out our website divineelegance.com.au for all of our products and videos.